guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarah and today is gonna be another video, basically a haul, because you can see that I'm sitting over here. So obviously it's gonna be a haul which is a long awaited haul. I know I haven't done a haul since so long, and after sitting here and speaking only I feel कि इतना time हो गया. But anyways, here we meet again. So I have ordered a lot of stuff from Nykaa and I don't want to waste even a single more second. So let us start with the very first product that I've purchased, which is going to be this, which is Dot and Key. So it is Dot and Key Strawberry Dew Sunscreen Stick. Now sunscreen stick is something that I really wanted to have because obviously we do apply sunscreen in the morning, but then we can't reapply it because it's in the cream format. So यहाँ पे मैंने stick order कर लिया है, but पता नहीं कब से order कर लिया, I think a month ago. But I've not been using it that often because भूल जाती हूँ मैं. But again, जितना मैंने use किया है, I must tell you that this stick is super good. So this is how it looks like, and it is in strawberry flavor, and I will just apply it here, and you can see that it is not at all greasy. So you can see very carefully. So it is super good to actually apply over makeup. So I would 100% recommend the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Stick, and the price of this is 595 rupees. Let's go ahead with the second purchase. So secondly, I have Dermaco serums. So I've ordered two serums. The first one is pore minimizing face serum. Now very important because I do have a lot of pores on my face. I have छोटे cheeks पे pores है. So इसके लिए मैंने ये मंगाया था. I wasn't even sure कि pore minimize इतना आराम से हो सकता है नहीं. But after using this, I have been actually observing lot of change in my skin. So pores minimize के लिए मैं बोलूँगी कि yes, my mother was actually complimenting me the other day that एक cheek पे obviously बहुत ज़्यादा कम pores दिख रहे हैं. So I think that is again a win-win because I've been using so many pore minimizing serums and creams, but it wasn't actually helping me out. But this one actually did help me out. So I will be showing you its consistency. I don't know how to actually put it across, but yes, it's like this. It's very watery, but again like this. You can just see over here. Pretty cool. Next up we do have another serum which is 10% CICA. I don't know, it's Chica, it's Kika, it's Sika, I don't know. So that glow face serum, and it has that extract. It has kojic acid जो आजकल काफ़ी famous हो रहा है. I don't know why. This serum is actually very good and it gives you that glow. So I must recommend that you can buy this. It hasn't actually impacted a lot on my face, but I would say that shine and glow ज़रूर आ गई है. So this one costed me for rupees how much? 599, and this one is again priced at rupees. The pore minimizing one is priced at rupees how much? 599. So 600 each, you may say. Next up, I do have moisturizers from Dot and Key, which are just amazing, just awesome. So the first one is Dot and Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. It looks super cute, and you must see that this is almost खत्म है. इतू सा बचा हुआ है because कब से मंगा के रखा है, but I wasn't shooting. But I must give you the review of this one, and this is so good. The fragrance, the moisturization it provides, and the feeling after you apply it, it's just top notch. I'll just show you over here. I hope you could have smelled how it smells, and it is just amazing. The fragrance is super good. The moisturization, you can see, it's amazing. My skin feels so hydrated, so fresh, so renewed. So again, very happy. This one was priced at rupees 495. Let's go on to another purchase, which was this, which is again Dot & Key Retinol. Now retinol is again very famous for your wrinkles and fine lines, so I ordered this as well. This one I ordered in a small wala ml, and this costed me 395. It is also good, but this is khali actually. I wanted to apply it, but this is actually khali. So let's just leave it. ये दोनों मैंने मान लो एक पूरा महीना हो गया कि मंगा के रखे हैं, but I wasn't getting time to shoot. But ये खाली है, तो you must understand that I can review this very nicely. It is fine. मतलब ऐसा कोई मुझे बड़ा मेजर डिफरेंस नहीं लगा इसको लगा के. सो यू कैन कंसिडर, यू कैन नॉट कंसिडर, आई डोंट नो. Next up, I have Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Underarm Roll-On. So this I've been using sometimes. I don't use it that often, but this is fine. It's good. The fragrance is good and the feel is fine. So this you can actually purchase. And this one costed me for rupees 299, which is 300, which is okay. The other thing that I do have is Foxtail के moisturizers. So मैं बस एक दिन सो मेरे पास एक डिब्बी है और एक डिब्बी पता नहीं कहाँ चली गई है. सो एनीवेज, द फर्स्ट वन आई हैव इज दिस वन विच इज़ फॉक्सटेल का हाइड्रेटिंग मॉइस्चराइजर एंड इट हैज सेरामाइड्स इन इट. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द टेक्सचर. वाओ, यू सी एक पंप में कितना सारा आ गया. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीमी है, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. इट मॉइस्चराइजेज माई स्किन वेरी वेल. इसका एक और भाई है जो कि स्ट्रॉबेरी कलर में है. आई एम गोना गेट इट. इट्स इन द अदर रूम. आई थिंक मैं वो भूल गई. अभी मैं वो लेके आती हूँ. बीच में मैं आपको बाकी चीज़ों का रिव्यू दे देती हूँ. सो ये वाला था 50 ml है ये, और ये मुझे पड़ा था कितने का है ये, 445 का. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सेल्स गोइंग ऑन. ऑब्वियसली द प्राइस दैट आई एम कोटिंग, it doesn't mean कि उतने का ही आपको मिलेगा. There are a lot of sales going on. You can purchase it during that time and you can actually save a lot. Next up, I have this, which is something that I am a big fan of. This is M Caffeine Shimmer Body Butter. Now, ये मैंने purchase किया था अपने birthday time पे, which was in June. एंड आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड, क्योंकि मैं इसे देखती थी पिक्चर्स इंस्टाग्राम पे दैट पीपल यूज टू वेयर दीज अमेजिंग ड्रेसेस और उनके अच्छे से नेक और हैंड्स से शाइन कर रहे होते थे. सो आई थॉट लेट्स ऑर्डर समथिंग लाइक दिस. बट ये वाला जो मैंने मंगाया था, इट्स लाइक बॉडी बटर, बट इसमें बहुत कम शिमर है. सो इसमें ऑलरेडी मैंशन है कि इसमें सॉफ्ट शिमर है. उतना हार्ड अगर आपको जाना है तो यू हैव दी स्प्रेज एंड अदर क्रीम्स, बट मुझे इतना शिमर नहीं चाहिए था. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस एंड आई वांट टू शो यू हाउ इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. So the texture, I'll show you. This is how the texture is, and let me just do this now. So you can actually purchase it when you're wearing something very good. अब पता नहीं इस पे कैसे मैं दिखाऊँ. Wait. This much is priced at rupees how much? I think it was for 500. जितना मुझे याद है. हाँ, 449. So again, good purchase. Now is gonna be an interesting time because it's gonna be about the lipsticks. So I have ordered a lot of lipsticks for myself, and I'm gonna show you one by one the amazing shades that I've purchased. So the first one that I have is from Swiss Beauty. This is how it looks like, and it is in the shade Hot Cherry 04. And let me just show you. Let me just smudge it and show it to you. So this is how amazing it looks like, and you all see the color, bomb color. And I think dark shades मुझ पे सूट करते हैं. Right now also मैंने बहुत ही हल्का करके यही वाला shade apply किया हुआ है. So this is a nice shade. Next up I have another lipstick from Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna smudge it for you all, and you're gonna see the amazing shade. Look at the shade, so good. Next up I have what? So I have Swiss Beauty का lip gloss, जो कि मेरी एक गलती थी मंगाना. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि अच्छा नहीं है, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि मेरे पे बिल्कुल सूट नहीं करते लिप ग्लॉस. मैंने पहले नायका का भी ऑर्डर किया था, वो भी मुझ पे सूट नहीं किया. आई थॉट मे बी वो लिप ग्लॉस ही अच्छा नहीं है, सो आई ऑर्डर दिस ऑल्सो. बट मुझे समझ आ गया कि मुझ पर लिप ग्लॉस नहीं सूट कर रहे. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. सो बट आई विल शो यू. ये थोड़ा सा पिगमेंटेड है, इसमें है शेड कुछ. तो मेरा नायका वाला था वो एकदम ही क्लियर था. लाइक दिस. Nice. I don't know why in my camera it's not shining, but it is in reality. Now let's go on to the next stuff that I have. Next lipstick that I have, and it's gonna be Maybelline New York. It's gonna be by Maybelline New York, and this shade is actually my love. So let me show you. Yeah, the last one. Can you see this one? It's somewhat in pink shade, and it's actually, what is it? It's more blush. The shade is more blush. I forgot to tell you the shades of others. This one was touch of spice, and the what is it, gloss was in the shade Deep Desire. So anything else I've ordered? Yeah, one more thing. So I have ordered Ink Black by Mars. It is actually an eyeliner, and this is again super good, and I'm just gonna smudge it over once and I'm gonna show you. So it's good, it's very nice. Next up I have one more thing, which is M Caffeine का what is it, eye patches. So eye patches is something जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा देख रही थी मैं Instagram पे, so I thought why not give it a try. So I gave it a try. It's good. I've been using it since past 1 month, and it is actually good. It gives me that freshen feeling and completely nice. So ये थोड़ा ऊपर भी चिपक गया. I'll show you the texture of it. So this is how light it is, and it has a lot of serum in it, and it is amazing. So you can use it. अभी मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं अभी लगा लूँ, क्योंकि इसको लगा के बड़ा मज़ा आता है, एकदम ऐसे ठंडा ठंडा लगता है आंखों के नीचे. सो वेरी गुड. अब मैं इसका फॉक्सटेल का मॉइस्चराइजर रहता है वो लेके आती हूँ, और उसके बाद हम वीडियो एंड करते हैं. गिव मी अ मिनट. सो मैं सारे में ढूंढ के आ गई हूँ, मुझे नहीं मिल रही है. सो इसी में रेड कलर में है, एंड इट इज़ सुपर ग्लो मॉइस्चराइजर. इट इज़ फॉर ग्लो, एंड दिस वन वॉज फॉर हाइड्रेशन. एक्चुअली मैंने निकाल के भी रखी थी उसे, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू शूट. मेरे पास पूरे से बंडल में सब कुछ था, पता नहीं वो कहीं गिर गई है क्या है. सो आई जस्ट रिव्यू इट. इट्स रियली नाइस. इट गिव्स यू दैट ग्लो, इट गिव्स यू दैट हाइड्रेशन. सो यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर दैट वन. इट इज़ नेम्ड एज सुपर ग्लो मॉइस्चराइजर, एंड ये उसकी डिब्बी है. इस वाले की डिब्बी जो है वो खो गई है, ये वाली उस वाले की डिब्बी है. सो दिस इज सुपर ग्लो मॉइस्चराइजर, एंड इट इज़ गुड. इट इज़ वेरी गुड. So this one was again priced at $449, I guess. How much was it? $445. So $445, and this one again $445. You can get all of this in discounts, so that you need to know when to shop. And next up I have another sunscreen. Sunscreen रह गई थी. So it is Dot & Key Skin Care. Oh, what am I saying? Dot & Key Skin Care Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen. So this is how it looks like, the packaging, and I'm gonna take it out, and the color is so good, and you can see. I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you the consistency. I think Dot & Key की sunscreens everybody know that it's just amazing, but ये पता नहीं क्यों थोड़ी हार्ड है निकलने में. जैसे मेरे पास जो वो वाली है, इसमें मेरे पास येलो कलर में है, तो वो वाली एकदम ऐसे निकल जाती है, एकदम मक्खन. बट ये वाली पे थोड़ा सा प्रेस करना पड़ता है. So very good. Can you see how easy it was to actually blend it? So amazing. I love Dot & Key sunscreens. If you ask me which sunscreen to buy, I would just jump and say Dot & Key it is. So I think that is it for today, and I hope I'm not missing out on anything. ये बहुत ज़्यादा long awaited video थी, because I really wanted to do this video. I really wanted to show you guys what I've ordered. और ये बनाने की मोटिवेशन ये थी कि मैंने नायका से अभी भी बैठ के और सामान ऑर्डर किया. एक्चुअली वो मेकअप ऑर्डर किया, नॉट स्किन केयर. सो मैंने सोचा यार वो भी पाइल अप हो जाएगा तो वीडियो बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी. लेट्स जस्ट मेक दिस वीडियो एंड अप हियर ओनली. So I hope you like the video. I am telling you guys, इसमें से mostly 99% products are something that you should order. You must have. The products are really good, and you must think of purchasing them. And that is it. I think next up I'm gonna come up with a haul only, because I've ordered something from Nykaa. And thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Lots and lots of love to you guys. Bye.